Welcome to Riverview Estate, a substantial newly constructed residence built on part of George Washington's original Mount Vernon estate. It was on the market in Alexandria, Virginia for a record-setting $60 million. Designed by architect Jim Rill and masterfully built in 2018 by West Wing Builders, the 16,000 square foot residence rests on 16.5 acres fronting the Potomac River. According to Architectural Digest, the current owners purchased the place in 2014 for $18.6 million and essentially razed the existing house, sinking tens of millions of dollars into designing a new structure. Accessed via an impressive stone-lined driveway, the American Federal-style residence was designed to take in fabulous river views from all main living areas with access to numerous terraces. There is a large wood-paneled reception room opening to a circular room with both views of the river and gardens, a multi-story spiraling staircase, and a bright vaulted kitchen. A visit to Riverview reminds us of why Washington boldly proclaimed, "I had rather be on my farm than emperor of the world." This one-of-a-kind property and its sublime aspect uniquely had the power to calm the mind of America's founding father. Now, it is likely that President Washington would approve of this 21st century version of Riverview. The property offers a total of 7 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, a large home gym overlooking the Potomac, a spa with indoor resistance pool. The gaming room has a full bar, pool table, 2 TVs, handcrafted stone walls, and also views of the river. The 16-seat movie theater allows for comfortable and safe screenings of the latest films. Terraces with water views are accessed by nearly every room in the house and invite quiet moments for fresh air, private dinners, or bird watching. Equally perfect for hosting hundreds of guests for special events. The estate includes 400 feet of water frontage, a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,600 square foot guest house, a fully reconstituted carriage house with 4 car spaces, and a studio apartment. A waterfront dock and reproduction of English colonial boxwood and rose gardens, inspired by old blueprints found on the property. Existing tree groves have been improved to create your own private and lovely wooded areas. The home was sold for $48 million in October of 2021.